Hello, yep, it's me, Jenny B, and today I have a quick video, just a little unboxing. A couple weeks ago I did, or last week, I don't even remember, time's just flying. I did a review and application for Marmalade nails. I purchased more nails. I love them. They lasted really well. I think I broke one during the week, but not too bad overall. So I'm going to open this. I just got this the other day and I figured I would do a video on it. So I might as well just keep the scissors there. So, packaged nice, little bubble wrap. I got their bundle. That's it. So you get a bundle, you get 4 nails for, let me check. La 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 la. So it was, oh, this was on sale. So it's normally $55 for 4 sets, but for 4th of July, I saved $19.20. So I only got it for $44.80, but you can get the bundle of 4 regularly for $55, I believe. So, and you can, you know, they have different packs. So, you know, more nails and stuff like that, but 4 was plenty. So I got these 4. Let me make sure I'm in. There we go. In frame. So I got the Callisto Stiletto Glitter, and the last one I think I got Diamond Dust that I had for the review, and they were beautiful. So doing Callisto, there looks like they're nice holographic glitter on those nails. Beautiful. And then I have Berry Blaze, a little ombre, stiletto, iridescent ombre. So those are beautiful too. Look at that. Fun. And Opal Iridescent, another stiletto. As you can tell, I like stiletto shapes, so you know. So this one has a little like diamond pattern in it. So that's pretty. So that looks like there's a little bit of texture. Love it. So that is nice. And then these are a little bit longer. They're coffin shape, and they're matte, and they're called Juicy Pop. So a cute little, looks like one of those orange popsicles. They look yummy. So they're orange into pink. So that'll be great. So I'll have to use those next. Who knows? So that's pretty nice summer color. So I thought that'd be fun. I took advantage of the sale for 4th of July weekend, and I got it pretty fast, so I ordered a 4th of July weekend, and they were shipped out that Monday and the 5th, and I got them pretty quick, so not bad. So just got them the other day, so they came out pretty quick with their shipment, which is awesome. So there we go. I got 4 more sets. Like, I need more press-on nails, but you know, I couldn't resist, so here we go. So thank you so much for joining me on this quick little unboxing. Their shipment was great. I'll link the link to Marmalade nails down below. They're pretty. They were nice and thick. I only broke one, but not too bad overall. They stayed on really well with their system. They have little videos and everything. So check out my review from last Saturday, I believe it was. So on how I applied them and everything, and check that out. So I'll put the link down below. So thank you so much for joining me on this super quick video. I will see you next time. Don't forget to like this video, give me a nice thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of all my upcoming videos on Tuesdays and Saturdays. And that's it. I will see you next time. Toodaloo.